Welcome, today in front of me POCO X4 GT, and I'll show you how to change notification sounds on this device. So let's just first open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the notification section. Just tap here once. Now we have selected here the default. Just tap here to more, and now we can select our just online ringtone or local custom ringtone. But how to do that, just find another video on our HardReset YouTube channel. I'll show you how to change the default notification sounds. Just to do that, select one from this sounds. You can also say here use the ringtones if you want, or alarms here. But for example, let's use the notifications. Click here. Now we can see the message that the sounds applied successfully, and let's just go back, and now we can see here that we just successfully changed notification sounds on our POCO device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.